Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And first of all, I want to thank you to Miss Rina for letting me to give this presentation about inside the computer and hardware. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hajar Gunawan from class 19 to C28, and my study number is 1925263 and 8, and my major is System Informatika. Okay, is the number one is inside the computer. Inside the computer refers to the internal components located inside the computer case that work together to operate the computer system. These components process data, store information, manage power, and perform various computer functions. Inside the computer case, several key hardware components work together to process data, including the motherboard, main circuit board, CPU or processor, RAM, short-term memory, storage, hard drive or SSD, and power supply. The CPU acts as the brain, while the motherboard connects everything, enabling the system to run software and perform tasks. And here is a breakdown of the essential components found inside the computer. The number one is motherboard, the main circuit board that acts as the roadway, allowing all components like the CPU and RAM to communicate with each other. The number two is central processing unit or CPU, often called the brain of the computer. It performs calculation, executes instruction, and manages data flow. Number three is random access memory or RAM, short-term volatile memory used to store data for active application. It is fast but loses information when the computer is turned off. The number four is storage, HDD or SSD. Permanent storage, where operating system apps and files are kept. Solid-state drives are faster, while hard disk drive provide high capacity. And number 5 is power supply unit or VSU. Converts electricity from the wall outlet into the lower voltage power required by the computer component. The number 6 is graphics processing unit, GPU or graphic card. Process image and video, sending signal to the display screen. And the last one or number 7 is cooling system, fans or heatsinks. Prevents the CPU and other components from overheating by dissipating heat. And here the function of main computer inside the computer. Number 1 is motherboard. The function connects all hardware components and allows communication between components. Number 2 is CPU. The function process data, execute instruction, and controls computer operation. The number 3 is RAM. The function stores temporary data, helps multitasking, and improves computer speed. The number 4 is storage device, and the function is stores operating system, saves file and application. And number 5 is power supply unit. The function converts electrical power and powers the computer. Number 6 is cooling fan. Function is prevents overheating and protects computer component. And the last one is GPU or VGA card. The function supports gaming, helps video editing, and graphic design. The number 2 is hardware. Hardware refers to the physical, tangible components of a computer system or electronic device that you can see and touch. It includes all internal parts, CPU, RAM, motherboard, and external peripherals, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Necessary for the system to function. Unlike software, hardware is the physical machinery. Okay, and here are the key aspect of hardware. The number one is computer components. These are divided into internal component inside the case and external peripheral device. Number two is physical nature. Anything that can be touched, such as cables, hard drives, and circuit boards. The number three is purpose. Hardware provides the foundation and computing power, while software provides the instruction. And for the examples of hardware, number one is internal, central processing unit or CPU, motherboard, RAM, random access memory or RAM, hard disk drive, HDD or SSD. And external is monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and scanner. So everything you can see and touch is or attached to your component is called hardware. Okay, in here we have three types of hardware. The number one is input device. Device used to enter data into the computer, and for the examples, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. Number two is output device. Device used to display the result for the computer processing, and for the examples, monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. And number three is storage device. Device used to store data. For the examples, HDD, SSD, flash drive, CD, or DVD. And here the source for the image. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening, and thank you so much for the attention. Okay, maybe yes, that's what I can tell about inside the computer and hardware. I'm sorry if I mispronounce and my low voice, but it's a great opportunity to tell you about inside the computer. I'm Haidar. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.